The National Weather Service in Memphis has issued an earthquake warning for Memphis, Nashville, Little Rock, Fort Smith, and Oklahoma City. If you are in any of these counties, it is very important that you pay attention to this message. At approximately 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a violent shaking occurred near Chicago and the shaking has reached your area. Source: seismometers. Impact: falling objects occurring in your home is likely, along with the buildings being damaged and destroyed. Take cover now. Move to an underground secure shelter that can protect you from the earthquake. If you can't locate an underground shelter anywhere, stay away from any objects in your home that can put your life at risk. Do not wait until the earthquake occurs or do not do anything that could put your life at risk while this event happens. We will keep all of you updated on this situation, but until then, stay safe.
An earthquake warning has been issued by the Canada State Police Department. Attention! Attention! Stop what you are doing and pay close attention to this message. A violent shaking located near Chicago has reached Canada. This violent earthquake magnitude level started off at a 5 to a 7.9, which the damage of this earthquake can be serious in large areas. It is very advised that you take cover now. Don't wait until the earthquake starts or occurs. Locate an underground shelter and do not leave until we have updated for you to do so. If you cannot locate an underground shelter, find the safest place in your home to take shelter, or stay away from objects that can fall and injure you and others. We will keep you updated on the dangerous situation, but until then, please stay safe.
A tsunami watch has been issued by the Japan National Weather Service. Attention! Attention! Stop what are you doing and pay close attention to this message. After the violent earthquake taking place in Chicago, this earthquake could cause an tsunami. So it's very important that you go ahead and prepare in case there really is an tsunami taking place. Do not waste time. Take action now to protect you and your loved ones. Gather supplies including food, water, clothing and more. We will update but until then, stay safe. An emergency action notification has been issued by the Japan government. Attention! Attention! Stop what you are doing and pay close attention to this message. A giant tsunami is heading its way toward Japan. This tsunami is extremely dangerous and life risky. Take action now. Gather everything you need and head to the emergency evacuation centers. Do not waste time please. This tsunami is very dangerous and will really kill you. Do you and your loved ones a favor by taking action immediately and heading over to the evacuation centers. We will keep you guys updated on the extremely dangerous situation. But until then, stay safe.
An emergency action notification has been issued by the United States government. Attention! 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 Stop what you are doing and pay close attention to this message. A giant tsunami hit Japan and it's coming its way to the United States. No underground shelter will protect you from this tsunami as it's very powerful and destroy anything in its path. Do not wait for the tsunami to appear, take action now. Gather all your important belongings that includes, water. Food, clothing, and more important things. And leave immediately, don't waste time. Don't do anything that could risk your life. Do the necessary actions and go to the evacuation centers. We will update you guys on this extremely dangerous situation, but until then, stay safe.